Everyone, how are you guys? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So, friends, once again, welcome to my new video. And, friends, in today's video, I'm going to talk about what is the main things because of that we are not able to speak English language. What is the reason behind it? I have seen so many learners, they are learning English language, but they are not able to speak English language. They are not able to express their thoughts in English language. So, what is the reason behind it? I just want to talk about that things because I have felt these things. And I have been learning English language before 1 year ago, but months ago I realized that I have been learning English language for 1 year, but where is my improvement? I was looking for my improvement, but I didn't get anything. But after spending my a lot of time, after spending my 7 or 6 months in this journey, I realized that I want to speak English language, but I just watch videos, and that is not enough for speaking English language. For speaking English language, we have to speak at any cost. So that time I did not have any partner. I did not have any English teacher, so who could guide me. But I realized and I felt that I want to speak English language, so I do not speak. So how will I learn English language for speaking? So for speaking English language, I have to speak at any cost. So friends, in this video I'm going to talk about why we are unable and why most of the learner are unable to speak English language, even then they are trying to speak English language before 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and more than that. And even then, why they are not able to speak. So make sure that you are going to watch this video till the very end, because from this video you are going to know why people are not able to speak English language, what is the main reason behind it. Okay friends, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. Yes friends, so as I have told you about me, that when I started my journey, so that time I did not have any partner who could guide me, that you have to learn English language this way and that way. So that time I used to watch videos a lot, and I didn't practice. I didn't used to practice of speaking English language. I didn't try to speak. Because of that, I took so much time to learn this language. But now I have realized that for speaking English language, we have to speak at any cost. It doesn't matter how many videos we are watching in a day. It doesn't matter how many pages we are writing in a day. It doesn't matter how many videos we are listening. But it matter that how much time we are giving to speak English language, because our main target is getting fluence in this language, right? So for getting fluence, and we why we are learning English language, just for convincing our thoughts. So how will we do this? Only by delivering our words from our mouth. How can we convey our thoughts? How can we put our thoughts in front of anyone when we talk that people, so they will able to know that how we are speaking, and only by speaking we can put our thoughts, right? So for that things we have to speak, and we are learning English language for speaking, and this is our main purpose and main target for speaking English language. This is our main target. And we just watch videos, we just write, and we just listen. That is not enough. You have to speak at any cost. It matter that how much time you are giving to speak English language. Friends, I just want to suggest you that please stop watching so many videos in a day. Stop writing. Start practicing. Start speaking English language. Whatever you know about English language, just you have to speak. If you do not speak, so you cannot learn this language. For speaking, I am talking about for speaking. For speaking English language, we have to speak at any cost. If you are not speaking English language, and if you are thinking that by watching video you can learn English language, no, not at all. It is not like that. You are not going to learn English language. Yes, I can say that by watching videos you are gaining knowledge. You are gaining knowledge of for grammar. You are gaining knowledge of grammar, but you are not gaining knowledge how to get confidence for speaking English language. By watching videos we cannot get confidence, right? So for gaining confidence, we have to speak. We have to see ourselves in front of mirror, how we are delivering our thoughts. So for that things you have to speak, you have to start speaking English language. And friends, I can say that this is the main reason of not being able to speak English language. Why people are not able to speak English language? Because they do not practice every day. They are practicing they are practicing watching video, they are practicing of writing, but they are not practicing of speaking. Because of that they are not able to speak English language. So I hope that you got my point. So for speaking English language, you have to speak English language. If you are watching videos in a day, if you are watching 4, 5, 3, and more than that video in a day, so that is not going to be work. Okay. So for improving your speaking skill, if you really want to speak English language, so you have to try to understand these things. Try to understand that things that we all want to speak English language. So how will we? Suppose that let's understand through an example. Suppose if I want to eat food. Okay, if I want to eat food, so by drinking water, how can I not feel that I am not hungry? I don't want to eat food. By drinking water I cannot feel like this. So I want to eat food. So for eating food I have to feel hungry, so we feed ourselves, right? And whenever we feel like thirsty, so we drink water. Just like our thoughts, we take things, right? So we want to speak English language and our main purpose is speaking. So how can we learn English language? By watching videos. Our thoughts asking me for English words. So how can I give English words only by watching videos? No, nahi, I cannot do like this. It is not possible. Only by watching videos I cannot feed English word to my mind. For feeding English words, so I have to speak again and again. I have to speak English language again and again. Only by practicing I can feed my mouth and my mind also. I can feed them English words. So we all have to feed English words to our mouth, so that whenever we speak, just a English word must be delivered. Okay. So friends, I hope that you got my point. And in the last of this video I just want to suggest you that if you are not able to speak English language, so just focus on your practicing. And if you are giving time, if you are practicing, so there is no doubt that you are improving. Gradually you will able to see the improvement of your English language. Okay friends, so don't be in hurry. It will take time. All the things takes time. So do not think that I am not improving. Gradually you will improve, and just focus on your practicing of speaking English language. Okay. So friends, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.